Did you know that your makeup is just incomplete if you're not using a highlighter? Yes, highlighter instantly lifts up our face, enhances the key areas and gives a beautiful shine. Today, I'm going to show you some different ways in which a highlighter can be used. Step 1. Under the brow bone. I feel under the brow is a perfect place to add a highlighter. As you can see, I have done my basic makeup. Now, I will apply the highlighter with the help of a brush just under my brow bone, but above the crease in my eyelid, to give the illusion of bigger and bolder eyes. Always dust the highlighter from the brush before applying it to remove the excess of it. Step 2. Apply it on the cheekbones. After the brow, it's time for the cheeks. I want to add a subtle glow to my cheeks, so I am using this highlighter. With my finger, I will apply the highlighter on the center of the apple of my cheeks and slightly above the cheekbone, but not exactly under my eye. Do not rub harshly on your skin. Step 3. Bridge of the nose. Time to highlight the nose. This especially works well if you're working to contour your nose a bit. Using my finger, I will apply the highlighter along the bridge of my nose to add that glow and rub it a bit, but not too much. Step 4. The inner corner of the eye. Now, I will use a highlighter on the inner corner of my eye. This is my favorite trick. It gives me that perfect glam look. I will just use a small pinch like this on my pinky finger and add it to the inner corner of my eye. Step 5. Cupid's bow. I will now use the highlighter on my Cupid's bow. This is another feature where you can add the highlighter to get a glam look. Also, it gives a clean look to your lipstick. I'm using my highlighter brush here and carefully applying the highlighter on Cupid's bow to give a highlighted lip look. You can use your pinky finger. Step 6. Center of your eyelid. Last, I'm going to apply the highlighter on the center of my eyelid. I'm again using my finger to take just a little bit of highlighter. Now, I will just dab it in the center of my eyelid to make my eyes look bigger and more awake. Step 7. Mix it with your moisturizer. Guys, did you know that you can mix your highlighter with your moisturizer as well? Yes, this will add a subtle glow to your entire face. All you need to do is take some highlighter and mix it with moisturizer and apply it on the highest point of your face. It will give a nice day look. Step 1. Under the brow bone. Step 2. Apply it on the cheekbones. Step 3. Bridge of the nose. Step 4. The inner corner of the eye. Step 5. Cupid's bow. Step 6. Center of your eyelid. Step 7. Mix it with your moisturizer. Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content.